ready for the night. Wiggled and giggled neath the pale moonlight. One did a flip and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more tumbling, it's time for bed." Four little monkeys bouncing with glee, dancing on pillows as wild as can be. One spun around and down he sped. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Settle down now, rest your head." Three little monkeys full of delight, jumping and leaping, what a silly sight. One took a tumble, slipped off the spread. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Cuddles and stories and sleep instead." Two little monkeys trying to be sly, jumped so high they almost touched the sky. One lost his balance, fell off the bed. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, hush now, snuggle in bed." One little monkey feeling alone missed all his brothers, gave a sleepy moan. He yawned real wide and rested his head. Mama kissed him softly and tucked him in bed. Bed jumping's fun when the sun